Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the order status of an item on the Best Buy app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've ordered an item from Best Buy and you want to check the order status of it. Has it been shipped yet? Is it ready for pickup? How do you actually go ahead and check that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Best Buy app. Next, after it finishes loading, on the bottom right-hand side, you want to go and click on your profile icon name. So it's right over here. Now, the next thing that you can do is that you can click on purchases. And then from here, you're going to see which orders are in progress and which orders have been completed. So that's one way to go ahead and check the order status of an order. In addition to that, if you click on home, Best Buy usually does a good job of placing it on a banner here as far as what's the status of your order. So yeah, as you can see here, I currently have an item that's ready to be picked up. So that's one way to see it. In addition to that, Best Buy usually does send you an email for when your order is ready to be picked up or as far as what's the status of it. And if you click on your profile icon, again, you get another notification of what your order status is when it comes to certain items. So there's multiple areas on the Best Buy app where it'll show you what's the status of your order. It's pretty hard to miss. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check the store order status of an item on the Best Buy app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.